Let's introduce the company background. Heng Timber Industries Sdn Bhd is a manufacturing curved molded bent plywood components for commercial grade chairs and public seating as well as complete chairs. The owner of Heng Timber Industries Sdn Bhd is Mr. Leong Chi Wai and assisted by his wife, Mrs. Chan Pik Sun. The company is located in a town named Chermo in the state of Ipoh Perak. The location of the company is near to its raw material supplier and also value-added supplier, which is a cushion industry. The company is established in the year of 1990. There are a total of 180 workers which are responsible for various departments such as production, packaging, distribution, and administrative. The company provides various design of chairs to its local customers as well as has a good networking in global markets with different countries such as Japan, Dubai, and so on. The vision and mission of the company are always ensure the product quality are able to satisfy the customers' expectation and requirements. Besides, the companies also take care of welfare of every worker by providing monthly incentives when targeted sales is achieved.
Okay, for the nature of business, Heng Timber Industry produce semi-finished and finished goods in local and global customers. Heng Timber Industry Sdn Bhd also acts as a private limited company. For the process operation of organization, the first process is processing raw materials. They need to order the raw material from the supplier, then the transport they use is container trucks. For the second step is sort the goods banner by number and size in inventory lots. Then for the next process is sending process. They need to sending the goods banner to the semi-finished goods and packing the semi-finished goods in packing process. Then for the end, they need to send to the user the semi-finished goods, but also from the trucks. Okay, for the procurement part, the procurement is to function to help increase the size of total amount of materials. Procurement also is purchase with documents. The responsibilities is to finding the right suppliers to accomplish the task that the business has decided to purchase. Okay, for the Heng Timber Industry, basically will in charge the procurement for the. They have own supplier of raw materials. Okay, she will manage to contract with companies, vendors to ensure the best price events. Then she will prepare the quotation for all raw materials they purchase. That's all.
Upstream and downstream. Upstream defines everything that comes into a company from supplier, especially raw material. There are certain type of raw material which are wood trunk, glue, peanut, and cushion. First of all, wood trunk is transported by container truck, and factory manager will offload the trunk from the container, and the wood trunk will undergo peeling process. Then, after the wood trunk is peeled, they will cut into different sizes and thickness. For downstream defines everything that goes out of your company after the production cycle. So the semi-finished product or finished product will be undergoing packaging process and then upload to a container truck and sent to other business and customer. Marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is important as logistics and marketing function as a collaborative team, since marketing stimulates needs and wants and logistics satisfy them by distribution process. Heng Timber Industry apply B2B and B2C in growing their company. First and foremost, B2B, which also known as business to business. Heng timber industry involved in supply their semi-finished and finished product to other business. For example, supply in Canada, in Dubai, Toronto, and China. In local, the company serves as a wholesaler to local furniture store, and Heng timber industry is also involved in supply cinema chair to TGV Cinema and LFS Cinema. Second, B2C, business to customer. Heng timber industry provide a showroom to its customer for the customer to customize the color that they want, cushion, the type of cushion, and others. So, for information, the major income of Heng timber industry is come from B2B, business to business, and B2C has a little of percentage of income in growing their company. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Let us talk about challenge in operation and consumer behavior. The first point is high transportation costs. The high transportation costs will lead Heng to cover more operation costs, which is expenses of the company will increase. The next one is buyer-supplier relationship are not that ideal. The supplier delaying the shipment may force the company to postpone the continuous process of the transaction, then it will affect the company complete the customer order in time. On the other hand, the buyer always requires to spread out their payment to pay their cash flow. The next one is time issue. The process of check is really complicated and need time to process that will result in lack of quality availability. Then the lack of availability of sales assistant that leads the customer to take time to waiting at checkout. The last one is quality and price product. Lack of manpower to manage and maintain the quality of product will decrease the quality of product. Due to the main target customer of the company is foreign chair wholesaler, the price of the product will become more expensive to local customer. It costs the customer to take time to consider it before purchasing.
For suggestion part, by using different modes of transportation can reduce the cost of transportation. Modes of transportation will be more flexible in terms of offset the cost of that might not have been considered. Shipping freight by road is cheaper than by air. For example, road transport is also require less capital investment compared to the other modes of transportation, for example, rail transport and air transport. Other than that, the relationship between the buyer and seller can be either short-term or long-term. It is important to build up trust and loyalty among both parties. A good relationship between the buyer and seller in business could help them gain a competitive advantage in the market. There is also a greater commitment for both buyer and the seller to be reliable when it comes to orders and payments. For example, there will be more discounts offered by the seller as well as flexibility timing for payment. Apart from that, establishing a valid measurement system to ensure the supplier provide on-time delivery. This is because a valid measurement system could evaluate the delivery by the performance on return items, problem of packaging, as well as the accuracy of timing for delivery. For instance, the buyer could also prepare a document of late delivery charges, such as penalty, to remind the supplier. Expectation of high quality service and price of product lead to the supply chain to force supplier to find a new way with low budget to maintain customer demands. Supplier could pay close attention to increase customer service demands. Supplier could create a true survey with a set of questions. Throughout the survey, they can analyze the feedback as well as opinion from the customer towards their product and services. Thank you.